2024 and dropshipping is more popular than ever. So that's why in this video, I'm going to be ranking every dropshipping strategy from best to worst. With so much information out there about dropshipping, it can be hard to decide which method to start with. So that's why I decided to rank all the different dropshipping strategies so that you can decide which method suits you best. Make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video because that's when I'll be revealing the absolute #1 best method. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So here's our tier list. As you guys can see, we have Facebook ads, Tik Tok Shop, the Oliver Brocado method, which I will elaborate on in a second, TikTok ads, TikTok organic, Snapchat ads, Instagram meme pages, recycling content from TikTok to Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and Instagram theme pages. So let's get started with Facebook ads. As you guys can probably guess, Facebook ads is going straight into the S tier. I know so many people who have made hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars using Facebook ads, and there are so many brands out there that have done hundreds of millions of dollars in sales just from their Facebook ads. There's no doubt that Facebook ads is an S tier. It's a little bit hard to learn, but once you master the skill of Facebook ads, it will really pay off. A quick word from our sponsor. AutoDS is the all-in-one dropshipping sidekick. First, you can start by using their product research system to search through TikTok and Facebook ads to find a winning product to sell. Next, just find the product on AliExpress, copy the link, paste it into AutoDS, and it will automatically source the product for you with fast shipping. It'll also automatically add it to your Shopify store so you don't have to do any of the work. Once you start getting orders in your store, just log into AutoDS and automatically fulfill them from your dashboard. You can also monitor your stock and quantities from the warehouse and also the number of sales you've brought in on your store. Finally, if you have any issues, you can contact their 24/7 live support team. It allows you to dropship on any of these platforms and you can get 30 days free with the link below. Next, let's go with Instagram meme pages. I would put Instagram meme pages in B tier because it can be really cheap to advertise with them and you can also get a lot of views, but you're not going to be able to control the audience that your content is reaching. With this method, you'll go on Instagram, contact theme pages in your niche. So maybe if it's a beauty account and you're selling a beauty product, you would advertise on the beauty Instagram page. You would pay them somewhere between $2 to $3, maybe $500 for a post across a few of the pages that they own, and you would get a few million views and hopefully bring in some sales. Next, we're going to go with TikTok ads, and I'm going to throw that into A tier. TikTok ads are great, but they're getting more expensive, and with the holiday season and everything, the ad prices have just been high recently. TikTok ads are good, but they don't allow you to narrow down your audience just as much as Facebook ads. But again, I know so many people who have made thousands of dollars with TikTok ads. It's absolutely possible, and TikTok ads are a great way to get started dropshipping if it's your first advertising platform that you're working with. Next, we're going to go with Snapchat ads. I'm going to throw Snapchat ads in a B tier just because Snapchat ads are not the greatest and it's a little bit finicky. I personally ran a store on Snapchat ads and it was a little bit stressful because my ads kept getting banned for no reason. I would re-upload them and they would get approved. 2 hours later, they're banned. So Snapchat ads is a little bit hectic, but you can actually get some really cheap ad prices, which is why I put it in a B tier. Next, we're going to look at Facebook Marketplace, and I'm going to put this one in F tier. Facebook Marketplace dropshipping is something that popped up somewhere around 2021 or 2022. I tried it myself for about a month, and it definitely was not the best method of dropshipping. Basically how it works is you put a listing onto Facebook Marketplace, acting like you own the item. When the customer buys the item from you, let's say it's a garden shovel, for example, you would go on Amazon and mail the customer the garden shovel, and they would get their item no problem. The issue with Facebook Marketplace though is that the tracking number situation is a mess. You're not allowed to use Amazon tracking numbers and you have to use fake tracking numbers from FedEx. So that's why I'm putting this in F tier. Next, we're gonna go with TikTok Shop, and right now this is gonna go into S tier. TikTok Shop, whether you start your own dropshipping store on TikTok Shop or whether you're just an affiliate, it's an absolute gold mine right now. TikTok is pushing TikTok Shop super hard because TikTok wants to make money this holiday season. So TikTok Shop is a great way to start dropshipping. Next, we're going to go with TikTok Organic, and I'm going to put it into a C tier. In 2024, TikTok Organic is on the decline. TikTok is getting smart with their algorithm, and they're kind of becoming able to decide who is a TikTok organic creator and who is a TikTok shop creator. If you're a TikTok organic dropshipping store owner and you're posting videos on your organic store trying to get users to leave the TikTok app by clicking on your Shopify link in bio, TikTok is not going to like this, and they're going to shadow ban your videos. This is making TikTok organic harder than ever recently, which is why if you're considering starting a TikTok organic store, I would honestly just recommend becoming a TikTok shop affiliate. You can find products that give you a 30% margin, which is pretty much what you would get on a dropshipping store anyway. So if you're going to be posting organic TikTok videos, you might as well comply with TikTok by using the TikTok shop so that they promote your videos, instead of going against the algorithm by doing a TikTok organic page and trying to steal TikTok's users and trying to get them off your app onto your website, which TikTok is not a fan of. Next, let's go with Instagram theme pages. I would put theme page at a C tier, just because of the time it takes to grow your theme page. I personally have done this method. I own a fitness theme page with over 35,000 followers, and the issue is it's really hard to drive traffic from your theme page to your link in bio. But if you have $0, this is a method that can be good for you to grow on Instagram with a $0 budget. Next, we're going to talk about the Oliver Brocado method, and I'm going to throw this one into S tier. The Oliver method is one of the best methods that we have seen in a long time. You could also call it the Andrew Tate method or the Iman Gaji method. All of these are pretty much the same thing. It's where you find a team of creators who are willing to promote your product for a commission, and you use these creators to ultimately grow your brand. Oliver was the pioneer of this method with the Tabs chocolate brand. He started his Tabs chocolate with a team of probably 10 to 20 creators, and he's been able to bring in hundreds of millions of views to his brand, and he's been able to sell millions of dollars in products because of that. This method is honestly one of the best ones, and if you can combine this method with TikTok Shop by starting a TikTok shop and finding multiple affiliates to promote your shop, this can become an absolute powerhouse method that can allow you to grow your business very, very quickly. Next, we're going to go with eBay. eBay dropshipping is honestly going to go into C tier. It's not a great way, but at least you can source items from AliExpress. On eBay, you can have shipping times up to 2 to 3 weeks, so it really doesn't matter the product that you're sourcing and where it's coming from. eBay is good for products that people are going to be searching for, like seasonal products. So it's about to be January again, and people are going to be looking for workout products. So maybe starting a workout dropshipping brand on eBay could be a good idea, but there's not a lot of opportunity to advertise on eBay, so it's mostly just organic search results. So if you're good at SEO, eBay can be a great opportunity for you. Finally, last but not least, we're going to go with the TikTok to Instagram / YouTube Reels repost method. I personally have used this method to bring in over $3,000 in sales with a $0 budget. And let me tell you how this method works. You're going to go onto TikTok and find a TikTok organic page that's currently blowing up. It doesn't matter the product. All that matters is that their videos are consistently getting millions of views. Next, you're going to go onto Instagram, and if they don't have an Instagram page promoting their videos, you can be the one to start the Instagram page and repost their content and bring in the sales. I personally did this for a blender bottle company. I took the videos off of TikTok, and I reposted the videos onto Instagram Reels. One of the TikToks that I reposted blew up to 15 million views on my Reels account, and I brought in over 2.5K in sales to my Shopify store. This was my first ever dropshipping experience, and it was really a great way for me to get started in the world of dropshipping with a $0 budget. It really didn't take me any money because I didn't have to advertise, and if you set up a few of these pages, I guarantee you'll be able to get a video to pop off, and you can start getting sales on your dropshipping store. So now that we're at the end of the list, what method would I recommend for any beginner in 2024? Well, honestly, it would be TikTok Shop. If you want to get started and start making money online by creating content for a dropshipping business, becoming a TikTok Shop affiliate is your best opportunity right now. One of my friends named Spencer actually has generated over $400,000 in sales just by being a TikTok Shop affiliate alone. He posted a few videos of him promoting some products with the TikTok Shop linked on the video. One of them got 3 million views, and he brought in over 400K in sales from that video. Yes, it's true, he's only getting a 20% commission, but all you have to worry about is the content creation. So there you guys have it. my tier list of all the best dropshipping methods. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go down below and subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.